Is this snow? Is this rain? What's happening in Benidorm this night? Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and welcome back to Benidorm in the evening time. The sun set down already and we are in Rincon de Loix. This is the mecca of celebrations. This is where all the famous pubs and nightclubs and show places and entertainment and concerts and live music and everything you wish is usually happening. So many new bars are here nearby, and some of them are about to open very, very soon. The green door does have quite a bit of visitors. The red door is right in front of us. Same owner, but a very different amount of people visiting one or the other, even though everything is exactly the same, with an exception of the main color theme of each places. And some news here. Look at this. The Bank Club, the brand new place, is almost ready to be open. Last time we've seen it, it didn't have any light inside. It didn't have anything, but now it has a logo on the top part. Everything's almost ready. They're trying on the lights already, putting on the bar, all the decorations, everything is out there. It's moving so fast. It's absolutely incredible. Look at this. Probably in a question of even earlier than the summer season will be here. There is going to be a whole lot of movement here. The golden logo and the bank. Ooh, that's actually very, very nice. Probably it's also going to be with neon lights. So far it's not the case, but it should be. Ooh, it's going to be interesting. We've never ever had a club as per se before in this area. So we'll see how we'll go about this one. The red door, a little bit busy. There's not as many people here, just a few tables. Honestly, there's not as many tourists so that places would be packed. So whenever you visit Benidorm right now, you will see people about and around, but it's not going to be extremely packed up anywhere, with an exception of a sunny day on the Levante beach. Then, yes, there's going to be quite a lot of people out there. But in the evenings, if it's not the case, it's going to be just people every now and then. In every single place, there's going to be a little bit, but it's not going to be too busy. Some places here in Rincon de Loix still maintain their doors open. Others close down for a new season. You can see some of them have their doors shut. What is the? Is it like? It's a strange weather today. It does look like it's raining, but the pavement is dry. But something's falling. It's like it is raining, but it looks like it's snowing when you look at it. Very strange. And then the water, where is it? Because it's not on the pavement. Like, does it evaporate? Where does it go? Because it's not here. But there is something in the air. You've seen it at the beginning of the video. So I'm not entirely sure what this strange weather is actually like. We did have some sunshine. We were able to enjoy. The temperatures are great these days. We will be going up to 23 degrees. This is absolutely incredible. This is some of the best weather that we've technically had in a really, really long time, at least in a month and more, because all our month of January was month of January, you know, like the one you wouldn't want to remember, never ever. We've had plenty of storms and hurricanes and things we've never seen in the area, like mini baby tornadoes with rainbow inside of the Mediterranean Sea. That never happened, and now it did. So we're really, really happy that the weather is like what it is right now. It is calm and quiet. Something is chippy out there in the air, but it's not like it's a big rain. So once it's like this and not more, we are absolutely fine with it. Right here on the British street, there's more businesses that are open. These ones usually never closed unless it's like staff day off or something, or it's for refurbishment. But for the vast majority of time, all these are always open. We're talking about obviously Mariano's, the food place. They've refurbished a little bit. I think they've made some changes inside. It was closed for some time, and now it's all back again, ready for Valentine's Day. And then the The other part is this one here, which is Piccadilly pub, quite busy on the inside. There's music here. A Silver Dollar is always busy, even though it is winter time, but there's quite a lot of people here on the terrace. We like this place quite a lot. They have some nice music, nice atmosphere overall. There's quite a lot of people. They have some good entertainment, some shows, and it is right here at the beginning of the British Street. A lot of people fancy this place simply because the staff is friendly. It is a nice place to be. They have good music, and without the need of actually heading towards the old town, this place is available for you guys. And not only this one, on the British Street in general, there's quite a lot of places that are open still. All the typical famous places, such as the Western Saloon, the Hotel California, the Crown, all these places, they're still open even right now. What does close on the British Street mostly are the nightclubs, the ones where you require a lot of effort to maintain them, to pay the salaries and use a lot of light systems and entertainment and DJs, etc. All these, they do close down up until the month of March or April, depends when the new summer season is starting this year, because it always goes by Easter holidays. And you know that the date shifts every single year. So typically, all the nightclubs are closing down, but the pubs, the bars, the lounges, all these places do remain open. And it is quite vivid here on the British Street. We see a little bit of everything. There's kids, there's adults, there's groups, there's tourists, there's locals. A little bit of movement is always here. It is never absolutely empty. And there's always a police presence. That is also true. Lately, we've seen way more movement, and we've also seen quite a lot of work being done by Benidorm's police officers. As always, that is great. We do appreciate it. And this makes us feel safe. Honestly, when we see some people are against cameras, but I do feel like, well, if you have nothing to hide, you can only benefit from it, right? Because it makes the city safe. It makes people to stop doing what they were planning on doing, because cameras will actually see them and see where they went, to be able to find them and make them pay for what they did. So there's cameras everywhere. There's controlled accesses everywhere. There's police officers everywhere, on the beach, in the old town, with uniform, without uniform. There's drones. There's boat checks as well. There's so many things that do make our city a safe place to be. It's one of the safest ones, actually, to be here on the coast, and in general, one of the safest in Spain. So it's a touristic city, meaning. So it is great that they are always here, great that there's presence. Obviously, in summer, there's more and more. It's uncomparable with what's happening in summer, but in summer by now, which is evening time, the sun's just set, but by now in summer, these places would be packed. Now, there's plenty of space for you to go inside and enjoy. Look at this. Morgan Tavern, just starting. There's already quite a lot of people who are dancing and having some loveliest evening out there. Karaoke, sports by the nearby places, such as Last Stop. Taxis start to arrive and bring people to the British Street, maybe from campings of Benidorm, maybe from nearby villages, maybe from any other places, or picking people up as well to go somewhere else to enjoy. And there's quite a bit of movement. Even hotels here on the British Street, a lot of them are still open. By the way, we did a video not so long ago about the hotels on the Mediterranean Avenue, which is right here on the left side. And we've actually shown you that none of the hotels close down unless it's for a complete refurbishment. They are always open, and they're always extremely busy. And that is because in summer it is great because it's close to the beach and all the entertainment. And in winter, it's the same thing. It's close to everything that is open right now. So people do choose these quite a lot. It's like a gold mine. Places that always work a whole year long. And they're close to the entertainment. Here we have also the wild duck. Indoors seems a little bit empty, the dance floor meaning, but there's quite a bit of people sitting down, enjoying some drinks, watching some sports. Mostly people who are in the bars here, they're here for the company of their friends, their relatives, loved ones, couples, just enjoying some lovely chat, listening to the music, just having a great evening outside. And even though it is winter time here on the British street, it never sleeps. It is always here, and as you can see, things are open. Not as much maybe as people would want it to be, but there's not as much nightlife tourism now, so that all the places would be open. But all the good ones still stay here, and they do not close because they know they're going to receive their customers, even if it's a winter season. Like the Western Saloon, for example, a perfect place, a very healthy place to be. Same with the Hotel California, also a great place. All of these places, they do tend to have some offers. They have happy hours. They have offers for bucket deals, for cocktails, shot specials, and birthday specials, and so many things that it is incredible. We are not like people who are usually getting buckets or cocktails. If we do, we try to be without alcohol or as little as possible. But it is still very vivid here. Look at that, Estrella 190 till 7 p.m. People having fun here at the Crown. Also quite a lot of people, quite busy, not gonna lie. Wow. They do have some 10 euro buckets. Oh, you don't see those very often. Wow. There's also live music here, which is the thing that we actually like. And slightly further along, places are still closed for this winter, with an exception of a few, such as Red Lion. And it starts to drop. Once again, what is it? Snow? Rain? It does look like it's raining, but it's all dry. We'll see how the night goes in Benidorm town, but even so, even with this, it does look very, very busy here in Rincon de Loix and on the British street in Benidorm town. Stay tuned for some more new videos tomorrow.